fans. Oh, we got Axolotl. Anyways, hi Icy fans, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Icy the Beast, and today I'm here with Jessie's Game World. So I'm playing Squishy Magic, and Jessie's Game World is playing Gold Dollies.
I get to open
a baggie.
Yes, I get. Whoa! And champagne.
So I just got an Axolotl Squishy. No, though, it's just a game. And there's a new Squishy right over here.
Which one do you think?
Which one
do you? No, go back. No, go and go Dollies. Go and go Dollies. Go and go Dollies.
No, I'm doing a video. Sorry. So I'm gonna do.
Literally, that's wins. That's wins. Look, that's wins.
I'm gonna do chocolate bar.
I'm gonna play a game to wait for it.
Okay, so we're going. Okay, so we're going to Bubbles. Oh, this looks good. And now we're going to pastels. No, the pinks. Yeah, we can do hopping about the bushes, and we go to blues. Oh, whoops, in the wrong way. Oh, did I miss it? Yep, it is. And then we're gonna choose this. Same thing as the hands and the legs. Has to be darker than that. Nope, too dark. Perfect. And now we're going to browns, I think. Nope, I have to buy them. How am I supposed to do? So after let's do white chocolate from the basics. And I have to choose something good. Birthday cake? No.
Oh, I'm so close to getting another baggie.
Let's do
I'm so close to getting another baggie.
Okay. Let's do cupcake party. Okay, 33%. Okay, so I can give my squishy. Should I get... Nah, I'm not.
This game is so fun.
Okay, so this is it.
Bye, guys. I'll have to check mine. Mine's only on 10%.
Okay.
What's yours on?
24.
24. Mine's on 10.
Okay. Okay, guys. I don't know how do we get it because someone sent a gift. So, the gift that sent me is from Lucy Sheila. Thank you, Lucy Sheila, for sending me this gift. So I'm gonna try it. Look how cute it is, guys.
Actually, did she send you that?
Yeah.
Wow.
Okay, so we're gonna use this. I'm gonna use this to this. And then we go to glass. No. Glossy basics. And we're gonna use this. Looks super cute. And we're gonna go from glossy blues. No, not this one. Sprinkles.
I'm just gonna pretend I die.
And this. It's on neons. Neon shapes. Oh,
That's number 2.
Okay, and basics. This or I can use the yellows. Although it looks expensive now, white. Let's use this and this. Oh no. This. And this one. Nope. White. This goes black.
I got new gift.
Who do you
I got new shoes.
Ooh. Okay, so the last one is the goggles.
I need a dolly, don't I?
And the pastels have to use this.
I need a dolly.
Guys, look how cute it is.
I'm gonna play a different game. I'm gonna play Style Match.
Okay, so let's do cloudy sky. Send is the new one. I got 67%. Oopsies. I got on the wrong game, guys. Sorry. And this is it for today. Please sure to like, comment, and turn the notification on. And make sure to go to Jessie's Game World just to subscribe and like the video, turn the notifications on to her channel. See you guys.